Welcome back. So now we're at question 4. So if you didn't catch question 1, 2, or 3, just go back a few videos and watch the videos and leave your comments or opinions in the comment section. Alright, so that one I think this is gonna be my last question. But really want to know because this step on my mind because it has happened to me. But want to know why as soon as you get the little green card now, or you get the little citizenship, right? You start losing friends, you start losing family. Like things just change with a lot of people that like things just get weird. People just start deal with it different, or the relationship itself just become different. You may not even be able to tell why it's different, but it's no longer that sweet friendship that you had. It's no longer that sweet relationship that you had. Like, wanna tell me what is it that Jamaicans have in common? Because I know a lot of persons are going to comment and say, yes, this happened to me with me and my friend. This happened to me with me and my man. When I get my papers, him start going some kind of way. This happened to with me and my wife. When time I get my papers, she start angry me away. Or even during the process, while you're going through that process to get this thing done, people start to treat you weird. People start to treat you different. When you ask a question about nothing, people just start to just blow up at you. People start to like all type of negativity just always come with you trying to get yourself sorted out. Someone wants to tell me in the comments below if you've ever experienced anything like this, or if you know nobody will experience something like this, or if you ever treat nobody bad. I know no fan not gonna say yes. All of who guilty of them something here, who not gonna ever say yes. But if you know you are guilty of something like this, please to comment below and let me know what caused you to do or to behave differently with a person that is trying to get themselves sorted out. Alright guys, thank you very much for participating. If you have any questions that you would like me to ask here on my public platform so we can all talk and discuss this thing. Enough of with the up in the foreign, yes. So I know say we can draw other persons to this platform for come and share them opinion, and we might can find some solutions in the middle of this. You understand me? Because as Jamaicans we need to become one. We need to unite. You know say when time we stand up together and we work together, listen man, not sweet like that when time we work together as Jamaicans. Because to me we're still the best people. We are still the best people. But let me know. Let me stop chat now and drop the opinion and the comment them in the comment section down there. So alright, stay blessed.